The popular association Golden Dawn, usually known as Golden Dawn, is a far-right ultranationalist political party in Greece whose general secretary and several members of parliament have been found guilty of leading a criminal organization, with a number of other leading members convicted of participation. Golden Dawn is commonly described as neo-Nazi and fascist. The group rejects these labels and its members have expressed admiration for the former Greek dictators Ioannis Metaxas of the 4th of August regime and Yurios Papadopoulos of the regime of the colonels. They also use symbolism which is very similar to that of the Nazis. And they have also praised figures of Nazi Germany. According to academic sources, the group is racist and xenophobic, and the party's leader has openly identified it as nationalist and racist. Nikolaos Michaloliakos began the foundations of what would become Golden Dawn in 1980, when he published the first issue of the right-wing, pro-military junta journal with the name. In this context, Golden Dawn had its origins in the movement that worked towards a return to right-wing military dictatorship in Greece, following an investigation into the 2013 murder of anti-fascist rapper Pavlos Fyssas by a self-identified member. Michaloliakos and several other Golden Dawn MPs and members were arrested and held in pre-trial detention on suspicion of forming a criminal organization. The trial began on the 20th of April 2015. Golden Dawn later lost all of its remaining seats in the Greek parliament in the 2019 Greek legislative election. A 2020 survey showed the party's popularity plummeting to 1.5%, down from 2.9% in the previous year's elections, and a peak of 7.0%. On the 7th of October 2020, Athens Appeals Court announced verdicts for 68 defendants, including the party's political leadership. Nikolaos Michaloliakos and 6 other prominent members and former MPs were charged with running a criminal organization. Guilty verdicts on charges of murder, attempted murder, and violent attacks on immigrants and left-wing political opponents were delivered. After being founded in 1985, Golden Dawn first received significant attention in 1991, and in 1993 registered as a political party. By this time, Golden Dawn had adopted several Southern Balkan-focused regional objectives as its main program. To promote the idea of a greater Greece through the expansion of Greek territory into southern Albania, they also aspire to combat Islam in the region, such as through contributing fighters to the Greek volunteer guard that helped capture Srebrenica. By the mid-2000s, Golden Dawn had redirected its attention to opposing non-European, and particularly Muslim, immigration into the mainly Greek areas of southern Greece and Athens. Golden Dawn temporarily ceased political operations in 2005 and was absorbed by the Patriotic Alliance. The alliance, in turn, ceased operations after Michaloliakos withdrew support in the spring of 2007. Golden Dawn held its 6th Congress in March 2007, where party officials announced the resumption of political activities. At local elections on the 7th of November 2010, Golden Dawn got 5.3% of the vote in the municipality of Athens, winning a seat at the city council. In some neighborhoods with large immigrant communities it reached 20%. The party ran a campaign during the May 2012 Greek national elections based on concerns about unemployment, austerity, the economy, and immigration, which gained a large increase in support from the Greek electorate. It received 7% of the popular vote, enough for the party to enter the Hellenic Parliament for the first time with 21 seats. Following a second election in June 2012, this was reduced to 18 seats. As a result of the January 2015 Greek national elections, the party became the third largest in parliament, despite winning only 17 seats. The party is hard Eurosceptic and also anti-globalist. In 2015, Golden Dawn outlined their national plan for Greece's recovery from the financial crisis as follows. In December 1980, Nikolaos Michaloliakos and a group of supporters launched Chrysiavgi magazine. Michaloliakos had been active in far-right politics for many years, having been arrested several times for politically motivated offenses, such as beatings and illegal possession of explosive materials, which led to his discharge from the military. While he was in prison, Mitchell-Oliakos met the leaders of the Greek military junta of 1967 to 1974 and laid the foundations of the Golden Dawn Party. According to the newspaper I Love the Retypia, the characteristics of the magazine and the organization were clearly aligned to neo-Nazism. Krisievgi magazine ceased publication in April 1984, when Mitchell-Oliakos joined the National Political Union and took over the leadership of its youth section. In January 1985, he broke away from the National Political Union and founded the popular national movement, Golden Dawn, which was officially recognized as a political party in 1